What's up, guys? Welcome back to the automotive channel, and today I'm gonna be doing, today we're gonna be making another video on the mini bike. All you guys know about it so far, it's a built motor on a Baja frame with the Stage 2 Predator 212, all that really cool stuff. But today, though, we're gonna be doing a rather, often requested video. So today, we're gonna be doing a top speed run on the mini bike, and, it's a rather nice day out, although it's almost sundown. Michigan's weather was, really wacky yesterday. It was sometimes sprinkling, sometimes not. But, everything has dried up by now. And, hilariously enough, this is my second attempt at filming this video because the first time, I filmed it with my dad. It was all really fun to make and stuff until the camera randomly shut off. I'm sorry for the rather low quality in the logo that you see. I'm recording this with my off-brand GoPro. Yeah, what we're about to do is I'm going to mount the GoPro onto the mini bike, and I'm going to put a speedometer app right here on my tank, or not my tank, but my storage unit on my phone, and we're going to go ahead and zoom right down the road and see how fast the thing can go. And also yesterday, me and my dad installed this rather neat chain tensioner on the jack shaft because I really wanted to put a CVT on this thing, but it blew up twice on me, so I had to go back to the jack shaft setup. It's geared pretty well, so it should go pretty quick. I'm shooting for 50 miles an hour, well, or maybe it'll go slightly slower than that, but hopefully the results will be awesome. So we'll go ahead and roll this out, and we'll be back. Alright, boys, we got everything on there. We got the speedometer app and everything on there, so the GoPro's ready to be mounted and stuff on there. So what we're gonna do, can you take this with? So what we're gonna do is, what I'm about to do right now, I'm mounting the camera right now, and we're gonna be, riding down right here, and I'm gonna point down at the speedometer app just to show y'all, how fast it should go and stuff like that. Let me put on my goofy ass helmet. So yeah, is it recording? Okay. Yep. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is to start up the bike and see if it'll even start up. So yeah. Ow, my leg. My leg. Ow, I scratched it. Okay, whatever. So yeah, so right here, starting sequence. Fuel valve on. Give her a few slow pulls, and spark on, and alright, I gotta choke it. This is a cold start though. Alright, let's choke it a bit, and speedometer's working. Hell yeah. There's a lady right there. So yeah. Not bad, not bad. That was actually really crazy. Really fast. Video's still going. Dang. So that was really crazy. The speedometer worked. So, want to know what the actual top speed of it is? Alright, so it went 44 miles an hour. That was with wide open throttle, and it was also slightly downhill. But, yeah, it didn't really reach my goal. But I'm really happy with those results nonetheless. So, yeah, that was my first run with it. This thing's super solid. I built this pretty well. Yeah, I thought this was going to be like a complete failure. Like, I was scared of what was going to go wrong. Like, if something was going to go wrong. But, no, a stage 2 Baja bike with the Predator, non-hemi, seemed to be a success with the off-roading tires on it. You know what? Maybe in the future video I will do like a 50-mile-an-hour attempt with like street tires and stuff on it. Hopefully that video will be coming soon and stuff. But yeah, for now, I'm happy with the results. But I'm going to stop this clip right here because I'm going to get ready for the second run now since the motor is all warmed up. I get to start her up again and, you know, redo the run. But yeah, I'm going to be prepping myself up for the second run. We're not going to be using the speedometer. I just wanted to see, like, show y'all what it's like to go into first person, to go really fast with something small. But yeah, I'm going to get ready for the second run and we'll be back. Alright boys, we're ready for the second run. So this time I'm going to, you know, do a first person view of, you know, me running the mini bike. Wait a second. Where's the... Oh shoot, where's the screw? Oh, alright, we're about ready to do the first person view run. You know, POV run. You know, I decided this would be a pretty neat addition to the video. So yeah, let me go ahead and pull her on there to start her up. And, yep, spark on and... Alright, fired right up. Well, that was pretty fun. Well, not like that you know, kind of fun you were thinking of, but like I could have died in any second, but I made it back alive kind of fun. But yeah, my only complaint with this bike though is under heavy acceleration, the bike starts excessively vibrating, but probably has something to do with the exhaust being right up against the frame, but it's alright. And also the GoPro vibrated a lot and it was like starting and stopping the video over and over, but you know what, that's alright. I think I still got some good POV footage of me ripping around on this thing. Yeah, there was a lady down the road with a 2-stroke bicycle. She broke down. She was hauling some heavy wood pieces and she was trying to start it back up, but it's whatever. Well, guys, there you have it. 44-mile-an-hour Baja, you know, mini bike with the jack shaft and a stage 2 motor, which isn't all that bad. Yeah, and I really wish I had a CVT to go with this thing. It would have gone faster. But this thing's too powerful for a CVT. It's a 14-horsepower motor. So, yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed that one. If you did, definitely smash that like button. Subscribe for some more car guy-related content in the future, like this video. And, yeah, I'm going to roll her up. Yep. Put her away real quick. But, yeah, with all that said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Yeah.